Ladies and gentlemen, Zoho One is an all-in-one suite that can help you do literally everything in your business. Today I'm going to go into a bit of detail and show you exactly what it has to offer. Alright, so you may have caught our video on Zoho pricing. If you want to know more about the individual applications within the Zoho suite, you can actually go ahead and check out our channel and see what their pricing actually gives you, each individual. But we're looking at Zoho One now, and it's an all-in-one suite of integrated business applications that are designed to manage various aspects of a company, from your sales to marketing to finance and all of your operations. And it provides more of a unified platform to streamline your workflows. It increases productivity and it enhances collaboration across your entire team. And it's a lot cheaper than buying individual little apps, even within Zoho. So let's have a look at exactly what they have. So there are more than 45 integrated apps. It's complete coverage across your sales departments, marketing, finance, HR, operations, and it all works together. It replaces multiple disconnected tools with a unified platform that keeps your entire business in sync. With over 75,000 businesses worldwide that rely on Zoho One, it's got a 4.5 star rating with more than 19,000 reviews. Some of their core applications is the Zoho CRM for sales management, which is a brilliant application. Zoho Books for accounting and finance, a great application. And then Zoho Project for team collaboration. Then we have Zoho People for HR management. We've got marketing automation tools, and then inventory for supply chain, which is great. As I mentioned, more than 45 apps that you can jump in there with. Also, it really does simplify business operations by bringing all your departments, including sales, marketing, finance, HR, literally into one integrated platform. You can automate your workflows. You can sync sales data with customer support and finance, effortlessly eliminating your manual data entry. And with affordable pricing, depending on where you are, region specific, it's from $37 per user per month with annual billing, which gives you full access to the entire suite. There's no hidden fees. There's no add-ons. There's nothing additional to that. There is a month-to-month price and there's an annual price, so that is slightly different. And again, depending on what region you're in, this pricing might change a little bit. But ultimately, if you are wanting to use a software suite where you can literally get every type of application within one suite under one umbrella that all works together, all has the same formatting, that all look the same, it all feels the same, then Zoho One is a really good choice. And I don't think there are many software suites out there that kind of compare to how good Zoho One is. So if you want to go and check them out, you can check it out at zoho.com. You can go and check out all the individual applications as well as what exactly in more detail Zoho One actually offers you.